going to drink the wine. Oh, isn't that horrible? And then, so then, look, you see, this is where
vegans look away. Hello. Where's your coffee? George, the old man, is getting tired. I'm gonna go get a glass.
Don't call me the old man.
He's 50. What are you?
50.
This is George Egg. If you don't know George Egg, then you probably haven't watched any of my videos. So go back and watch the other ones because they're really funny.
When I was a little boy, we'd go to France. You go to the market and there is like a wall with chickens like that. And then at the bottom, there's a big trough full of very yellow new potatoes. And they cook in the chicken fat as it drips down. Oh. We're going to recreate that in a domestic oven, and we're going to have our potatoes, our chicken, our bottle of red wine, rough red wine, baguette,
catch,
and
catch, no.
And then it's going to feel like we're on holiday in France.
I can't wait to go to France. Let's go.
Can you open those tins of potatoes, please?
Knife makers out there, don't panic.
This is Jesus Christ, that's turning into. Oh, that's scary.
I did this once and went straight through my thumb. You drain those ones while I do the rest.
Sheesh. You got a sieve?
I have knives up here which I cherish and I love. And this is a knife that I got for £5 and I don't mind destroying it. You know, look, I've taken a little chip out, it doesn't matter.
That's all right.
Yeah.
A bit of paella powder, a bit of stock, a little bit of oil, and then we're just going to put those straight in there like that, and that's it. And they are just going to cook, and it's just going to be like France. Look at that, it's like France already. So now we're going to spatchcock the chicken, but you haven't got any scissors, have you?
No, because we'll use a knife.
I've never spatchcocked with a knife before.
No?
No. So we're just going to go down either side of the backbone, cutting through the. Yeah, there we go.
There you go, mate. That's it. Look.
That's it. All right, and then we take the other side out as well.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Let me hold on. I got it. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh yeah. Just put that on there.
And then, so then, look, you see, this is
vegans look away.
So this, I don't know what this is called, but you cut that, you snick that just a little bit, and then it makes it a lot easier when you turn it over and you do the.
Go on. CPR.
There you go. Easy peasy.
Look at that. You've done that before.
So that's spatchcocked.
Right.
Easy peasy. And then these, tuck them under there.
Tuck them under there.
And then we are just going to bit of salt and pepper. That's it. It's so simple. Yeah.
You might as well rub it in while I'm seasoning your fingers. Do you need a bit of lube on there, or?
I don't know if we do, you know, because there's plenty of fat in there. There we go. We've got some anyway. Oh, have we got any paprika? I'll put a little bit of paprika on if I was
Have
doing
I got any paprika?
Have I?
It's like a. Oh shit.
Oh hello.
Oh god, it's gone straight in the crack. It's like the old Saint-Tropez tan. Make sure you don't miss a gap there, Bernard. Whoa! Oh, there we go.
So the potatoes are going to go there.
Lovely.
Like that. The chicky licking straight on the bars.
Whoa.
And then that is going to go over the top of the potatoes, and we're going to grill that for about 20 minutes.
Oh.
You see, and that's dripping onto these. So we give those a little shaky.
Drippy, drippy. Shaky. There we go. Look, here's potatoes.
Okay.
And the chicken dick.
You be careful.
You be 40.
So what we're going to do, we're going to flip this over.
Oh.
That's going to. Look, that's it. We don't want to lose any of that drippage.
My money, don't jiggle.
We're going to move these around a little bit.
Do you want to spread the legs out a bit more?
Yeah.
Like they seem to have sort of gone. Oh.
Yeah. They're going. Oh, I need a wee. Oh, sorry, bird.
Sorry, mate.
Look, just look. You can see how.
Hang on. Let's get some Z roll.
Greasy, chickeny, yum. And now that we've flipped that over, that's going to crisp up and we're going to get crispy skins. So
it's good that.
That's got to go back in there.
Quick.
And then those back underneath.
And they haven't exploded.
Not yet.
Great. What
Another 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Glass of wine?
Lie, go to sleep.
Right, so chicken's in the oven. We thought we'd do a double video. We thought we might as well show you how to sharpen a knife, because George always says to me, gosh, they're sharp, because you don't sharpen your knives very often.
I do, but I don't think I'm very good at it.
I learnt this from Tom, Kitchen Provisions, big shout out. Quick rundown, got this little knife block thing, you don't need one. I got 2 of these stones. 1,000 is the rough, 3,000.
Yes, the higher the number, the finer the grit.
So this is a coarser one. So, to get the angle correct, he said the cowboy method, which he said is totally fine, is if you stick your pinky underneath the blade, and then you let go, and then you drop it down a touch, then that is the right angle. You should be able to rub your finger up against here and it should be like a ramp. If you got it too low, you'll probably catch your finger. You literally just have pressure, find that angle, and then just keep it the same. So back and forward, and then just keep moving the blade along. And then he says when you get to this point here, this bit of the blade isn't touching. So all you need to do is just lift it ever so slightly and then just run it back and forward. Then switch onto this one, which is the 3000, and then just do exactly the same. Now these two stones were a bit of an investment, like 80 quid each. But like once you've got them, you know, they'll last you a lifetime.
Should we do it?
That'd be sharp.
Paper test.
And then the strops, this is just the polishing.
This is the exciting bit.
So if it catches, that means you haven't done it very well. Told you. Oh no.
Oh,
it was just the paper. I got caught in a bit of paper. Look.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Maybe there's a bit there.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's better.
There we go.
That's nice.
Right, anyway, see you later. We'll be back in a bit. Rolling, everything's wonky, everything's wobbling. Do we care?
Nope.
Good. Right, so chicken.
Okay, so look at
Oh.
that. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? And it's like it's been on a rotisserie turning because it's been grilled rather than baked.
And it's only been turned once.
It's only been turned once, but that's fine. That's enough. So we're going to let that. Listen to that. Listen.
Oh. Hang on.
Listen. Oh, that sounds good. So now with the potatoes,
Yes, chef.
let's have a look at those.
Okay, you can go over there. Show camera 55. Look at those.
So we want to get all of this sticky, licky stuff. But
Right,
that's
shall I get
what
the beginning while we're talking?
Yes, and that's what you would get if you got them from a market in France. They'd be all a little bit too greasy and a little bit, but that's kind of that. That's all like it suits it.
And they haven't exploded.
So now, just to how do they taste? They're hot. The baguette's in there, and then that's it. And then we're just going to eat it with our hands.
Oh, this is so good. Right.
If I was doing this at home and I wanted to recreate that French market experience, I would have the potatoes, the chicken, baguette, bottle of red wine or two.
Oh.
And if I bought it in a supermarket in France and brought it home with me, a tube of squeezy mayonnaise, because that just feels like France.
What, should we make a mayo?
Let's make a mayo.
Go on then.
Let's make a garlicky mayo or just the... We haven't got long.
Ah! Right, one whole egg. I couldn't care less.
Not just the yolk. You're going to drink the what? Oh, isn't that horrible?
It wasn't nice.
You've really gone mad now. Egg white lips.
Right, so mayonnaise is basically just an emulsification of fats, isn't it? Very simple. Egg, yolk, and then fat.
It's going everywhere.
A bit more. We don't need much, do we? So, bit of salt. Can't season fat. Who said that?
What's that?
Who said you can't season fat?
Who?
Who? Famous chef.
You can't season fat?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It was Gordon Ramsay. He always did this thing with mayonnaise. And he was like, season at the beginning, because you've got to fucking do that. And he was like, you can't season fat. That was his thing.
You guys, come here, you fat fuck, come here.
Yes.
Can I have a splash of that water in there? There we go. Right, what does it need?
Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
Yes.
Wee. Suit them on Rodney.
What's that?
I don't know.
It's junk, isn't it?
Answer it, see who it is. Oh my God.
Hello? Look at those, look at those. Now
shiitake mushrooms.
that is France-tastic.
Look at this, what a delight. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
We're in France, it's France. Shall we try it?
Should we take a picture? We're such wankers, aren't we?
Cheers.
Salut.
Salut.
Good job.
Right.
Oh, it's so hot.
Well, they are, but this is going to be just right.
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that. I love eating food with hands. It's the best thing. What a fun idea.
It's nice, isn't it? And it's just like, it's such a nice dinner. And just really simple, just chicken, potatoes, bread, wine. Hello?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, look, there we go. Look, another great session with George Egg. This was kind of story time more than cooking time, but...
It was story time, but that's nice.
We did a lot, though.
And earlier, we did the other thing, but that'd probably be in a different video. Sounds continuity.
There we go. Look, if you like these videos and you want to see George Egg come back, don't forget to like, follow, and all that jazz. We're just going to carry on eating this chicken and drink some red wine.
I mean,
red wine. All right, Jonathan.
Like, you get that in the market in France, don't you?
Yeah. We should go. go to France?
Yes.
Okay.
In the summer.
Yeah, great. Right, we're going to France.
And go in the van.
Oh, yeah.
If it's working.